The stock market is crashing. Here's what you need to know and how you need to get prepared. All right, guys, so here we are with SPY, and you can see SPY is currently down about 0.5% on the day, and things are just not looking too hot in the market right now. We're going to be discussing why things aren't looking too hot in the market. We're also going to be going over a technical reasoning why things aren't going too hot in the market and much more. So if you guys want to see all of that, make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also join our Discord with the first link in the description. As you guys can see here, our premium members have been absolutely killing it. S-Bucks is currently up 100%. UPS was up 13% this morning. Tesla was up 9%, and Nike's currently up 24%. And then also with our free alerts, we put out our first free alert as we brought free alerts back. So if you guys want to join, you guys can do that. And we put out a 43% gainer within the span of about 2 hours. So go ahead and join with the first link in the description. But anyways, here we are to talk about the market. Now, I have been putting out a lot of puts recently in this market, and the reasoning is, look at this chart. Now we're going to be making sense of this chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video. But it's down about 4% in the past month, and down about 2% in the last week. Last 3 months down about 3%, and in the past year obviously down 9% as well. But there's a couple of reasonings why we're most likely not done with the pain in this market. If you guys don't know, by the way, SPY basically tracks a market cap weighted index of US large and mid cap stocks that's selected by a committee, and the listed name for that is SPY. So yeah, I mean, they have about 500 holdings of the top companies, top companies in the technology sector, healthcare sector, financial services, basically all of the important sectors that are going up right now. But despite that negative pressure, we do see that retail investors are pouring a record $1.5 billion per day into the stock market. Now, that does not mean that the stock market is just going to boom and go up. People could be trading with this money. They could be doing a lot of different things with this money. But yeah, $1.5 billion per day are going into the stock market. You can see this chart right here. This is the most in the past year. So even when the stock market was doing well, retail and traders weren't putting as much money into the stock market as right now. I think a lot of people are starting to want to get back into the stock market. So overall, that is a pretty bullish sentiment for the market in general. However, we have to wait until this technical trading indicators basically come back into the bullish favor. So anyways, one of the stocks that might actually beat this though is going to be Tesla. Basically, Tesla remained the favorite among this group, with retail inflows into the stock totaling 9.7 billion year to date. So basically, Tesla is getting the most retail interest. People, basically me and you, are interested in Tesla over pretty much any other stock. So that's interesting. Retail investors are getting back into the market for the first time since that big boom right after the vid-19. But anyways, let's get into technical reasons why SPY is doing what it's doing. So first of all, this is going to be on the 1 hour chart, if you guys are wondering. And obviously we bounced off these support lines very previously. We bounced off this 376 support line. We bounced off this 387 support line, 394 support line. Well, we broke this support line at the 404 a few weeks ago, and now we are trending below all MA lines. This is not good. This is bearish pressure on the market. Also, our RSI is only at 41, so that does not mean that the bleeding is done. That means the bleeding can only continue. And then also this MACD right here, it's trending down. So where does that leave us, you might be asking? Well, I see over the next week or so, SPY continuing to go down, and at least hitting this first support line at 387. Now, SPY could bounce off this support line at 387. I'm not saying it won't. But if we get past this support line and SPY dips into the 385, 384 area, we will be seeing even more pain in the market, all the way down to possibly the 376 area for SPY. Now that's kind of a worst case scenario. I at least think that SPY is going to come down to this support line, because we're basically about to break this. We have 3 points of contact. We can only stay above this for so long. And that's why I'm going to be doing mostly puts for the remainder of this upcoming week. In our Discord, if you guys join, you will know just by what plays I'm putting out. But I will be doing mostly puts just because all of this momentum, it's all bearish. I mean, and we're not even close to oversold on the RSI either. So I just see us getting to the 387 support, possibly bouncing off. But if we dip into 384, 387, 385 area, we could be seeing some more pain in the markets, and the puts will continue to go through. But yeah, I mean, we did very well with puts today. Obviously, you can see I'm letting you guys in on the premium section. You can see we're up 100%, up 24%, 9 and 12. The puts are going very well. You guys can join with the first link in the description and start making money today, and at least get in there for the free alerts. The free alerts are killing it. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys liked, leave a like and subscribe. Join the Discord, first link in the description. Get signed up with Robinhood with the second link in the description. You'll get a free stock. I'll see you in the next video.